Alright, imagine I'm your tour guide through the entire universe. Yeah, all of it. In just 180 seconds. Buckle up, because we're about to take a timeline journey from nothing to absolutely everything. Let's start at the very beginning, about 13.8 billion years ago. There was nothing, and then, boom, the Big Bang. In less than a second, our universe went from a tiny hot speck to a rapidly expanding cosmos. All matter, energy, and even space and time itself burst into existence. Within minutes, things cooled down enough for protons and neutrons to form the first atomic nuclei. Fast forward 380,000 years, and atoms finally locked together, letting light travel freely. The universe became transparent, and fun fact, we can still detect a faint glow from this era, the cosmic microwave background. Jump to a few hundred million years later, gravity took charge. Clouds of hydrogen collapsed, lighting up the first stars. These were monsters, hundreds of times larger than our sun, burning hot and fast. When they exploded as supernovae, they scattered heavy elements across the cosmos, seeding the next generation of stars and forming galaxies. Fast forward a few billion years. Our own Milky Way galaxy was swirling with new stars, planets, and cosmic dust. About 4.6 billion years ago, a cloud of gas collapsed to create our sun and the planets, including a little blue one we call Earth. Zoom in closer. Earth cooled, water pooled, and about 3.8 billion years ago, life sparked in the oceans. Single-celled life slowly evolved into complex creatures, leading to the wild diversity we see today. Dinosaurs came and went, mammals rose, and eventually here we are. Humans, looking up at the stars and wondering how it all began. Now let's think big again. The universe is still expanding, and faster than ever, thanks to mysterious dark energy. Galaxies are racing away from each other. In a few trillion years, the universe might be cold, dark, and empty, or maybe, just maybe, something new will begin. So what's the point of this wild timeline journey? It's to remind you that everything, every atom in your body, every star in the sky, came from this epic cosmic story. And as science students, you're part of the next chapter. You're the ones who will ask new questions, make discoveries, and push humanity's understanding even further. Thanks for joining me on this trip through time and space. Stay curious and never stop exploring.